Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, hit that subscribe button because today, we're diving into something that could literally change your life. How to earn money online without investing a single dollar. That's right, zero investment. Just your time, effort, and a stable internet connection. Whether you're a student, stay-at-home parent, or just someone looking for side income, there are legit ways to start making money online today. So let's start with freelancing. It's by far one of the most flexible and scalable methods. Platforms like Fiverr, Upwork, Freelancer, and even Toptal, if you're more advanced, allow you to offer your skills to clients worldwide. You don't need to be an expert from day one, even if you're good at things like basic graphic design using Canva, data entry, virtual assistants, transcription, or simple video editing. There's work out there for you. The key is to create a solid profile, highlight your skills clearly, start with competitive pricing, and slowly build up your ratings and reviews. You might need to do a few jobs at low rates to build credibility, but once you get going, you can increase your prices and even turn freelancing into a full-time income. Now, if you're someone who enjoys writing, you can make money blogging or writing for platforms that pay you per read. Medium, for example, has a partner program where writers earn money based on how much time paying members spend reading their content. There's also Vocal, Media, and Hub pages where you can write about any topic you're passionate about. Tech, self-help, finance, fashion, anything. If your content is helpful or entertaining, it can get thousands of views over time, and you continue earning passively. Plus, once you get comfortable, you can even start your own blog using free platforms like Blogger or WordPress.com. And speaking of writing, a great option is transcription work. This involves listening to audio and typing it out. Perfect if you're detail-oriented and have decent typing speed. Sites like Rev, TranscribeMe, GoTranscript, and Scribie will pay you for each minute of audio you transcribe. It might feel slow at first, but with practice, you'll get faster and your earnings will increase. And here's the good part: you don't need to invest in any software or tools. Just a good pair of headphones and a quiet place to work will do. If you enjoy helping others learn, online tutoring is an amazing way to earn, and the demand is only growing. If you're good at math, science, languages, or even coding, you can sign up on platforms like Chegg Tutors, Reply, or Cambly. Cambly is unique because you don't need to be a certified teacher, you just chat in English with students who are trying to improve their language skills. That's right, you get paid just to have conversations in English. It's relaxed, fun, and pays weekly via PayPal. Another lesser known but profitable method is selling your own photos online. If you have a smartphone with a decent camera, you're already good to go. Everyday images like city life, food, people at work, or nature scenes are in high demand on platforms like Shutterstock, Adobe Stock, iStock, and IM. Upload your pictures, tag them well, and each time someone downloads your photo, you earn a royalty. Over time, these small earnings can add up. The next one is website and app testing. You can sign up on UserTesting, Trimui, and Testbirds to get paid for sharing your feedback on apps and websites. You'll be asked to complete simple tasks, like navigating a page or testing a feature, while speaking your thoughts out loud. It's not difficult, and the pay is solid, usually around $10 for a 20-minute test. It's a great way to earn in your spare time while helping companies improve their products. If you're looking for something even more casual, you can make money by watching videos, answering surveys, and playing games. Apps like Swagbucks, Inboxdollars, and Mistplay reward you with points for these simple actions, and you can redeem those points for PayPal, cash, or gift cards to places like Amazon and Walmart. It won't make you rich, but it's fun and adds up if you do it consistently. Perfect for downtime or when you're relaxing. Now, let's talk about a few tips to boost your chances of success with any of these methods. First, be consistent. One of the biggest mistakes people make is jumping from one thing to another too quickly. Pick one method, focus on it, and stick with it for a few weeks or months. Second, work on improving your skills. There are thousands of free tutorials on YouTube and free courses on platforms like Coursera, edX, and even Google's Digital Garage that can make you better at whatever you choose to do, whether it's freelancing, writing, or online teaching. Third, make sure to set up a professional online presence. This means creating a LinkedIn profile, using a clean Gmail address, and maintaining a good reputation on whatever platforms you use. And finally, always stay away from scams. A legit job will never ask you for upfront fees or offer you huge pay for little work. Do your research, read reviews of platforms before joining, and trust your gut. If something feels shady, it probably is. So to sum up everything, there are plenty of legit ways to earn money online without investing anything. You've got freelancing, online writing, transcription, tutoring, photo selling, app testing, and even casual ways like watching videos or surveys. Pick the one that aligns with your skills and interests, dedicate some time, and give yourself a chance to grow. It's not always fast or easy, but it's very possible. If you made it this far, thank you. You're already more serious than most people out there just scrolling endlessly. Let me know in the comments which method you're going to try first, or if you've already had success with one of them. Don't forget to like this video, share it with a friend who's also looking to earn online, and of course, subscribe for more practical tips just like this. Thanks again for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Until then, stay focused, stay curious, and keep grinding online.